welcome to our newest listing. We are at 677 Formentera. We are in Meadowvale Town Center territory. It's just across the street here. We have a beautiful unit number 28 right here. We have a stacked townhouse. We have 3 bedrooms, 1 washroom. It is considered a stacked townhouse, but when you hop in there, you're gonna head up a flight of stairs, and I'll take you in a second, and that's gonna take you to your living quarters, where there's 3 bedrooms, 1 washroom, and just over 1,000 square feet. Follow me. We're gonna take a walk and see what we have inside. We're just finishing up staging. You have plenty of cabinet storage. You've got a stainless steel fridge. You have your dishwasher as well as your oven, and it's a very, very spacious kitchen and living space. We have about 1,100 square feet here. Once again, we're at 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and as you're going through this stacked townhouse with me, you're gonna notice that the lighting you're gonna get in here is quite significant. There's tons of natural light. You've got big sliders and a patio out of your living space, and then you have another big window in the kitchen. So we've got 3 bedrooms. Here are the 2 smaller. You've got enough space here for a queen without a question. And behind me here, we've got space for a double in the second room. No issues at all. Now let me take you to the main bedroom, the primary or the master. You've got tons and tons of space here. We've got a king currently. You've got a nice large window. You have semi-ensuite access as well as a walk-in closet in this unit. Once again, you are hitting the market at $599,000. It's a great deal for any property in Mississauga. And if you're looking for something in and around that $600,000 price point, this is gonna be it. You do have maintenance fees here of $450,000 approximately, and you're gonna be able to call this home. We're just finishing up the staging here. We'll be on the market in a couple days. Once again, the property address is 677 Formentera, minutes away from the Meadowvale Town Center, 5 minutes to the 401 if you want to get on or off at the Winston Churchill exit. You have about 1,100 square feet here. You have 2 parking spaces. Your maintenance fees are in the mid 400s, and we will be hitting the market in the next couple days at $599,000, and we look forward to showing you this property. If you have interest, click the link below. We can schedule an appointment for us to show you this beautiful property and get you into your first home.